Compared to C++, MATLAB is slower and a bit more distant from the hardware. But on the other hand, its interactive environment is much more convenient and beginner-friendly. Unlike C++, MATLAB doesn't use a compiler and doesn't create .exe files. Instead, it runs optimized built-in machine routines directly when you execute your code. Now, in C++, we have .cpp files. In MATLAB, their counterpart is the .m file, and all you need to do is press the Run button to execute it. The equivalent of the console in C++ is MATLAB's command window. You can view both the .m file editor and the command window at the same time, and even see all your active variables listed neatly in the workspace panel. What are the strongest advantages of MATLAB? Number 1. Matrices and vectors come first. MATLAB was built specifically for working with matrices. Everything is naturally vectorized, which means that many operations that would take tens of lines in C++ can be done here with just a single command. Number 2. A massive library of mathematical functions. You've got everything ready to go. Linear algebra, Fourier transforms, differential equations, optimization, statistics, image and signal processing, and a lot more. No need to reinvent the wheel by writing everything from scratch. Number 3. Toolboxes. These are specialized add-ons for different fields. Control systems, machine learning, image processing, bioinformatics, financial analysis, and so on. Number 4. Simplicity and interactivity. Here's the fun part. In MATLAB, you don't need to declare variable types. MATLAB does it automatically. For example, if you assign a number, MATLAB just assumes it's a double. So you simply write the variable name and value, just like in math. And the command window gives you instant feedback. This makes MATLAB perfect for quick prototyping and learning mathematical concepts. Number 5. Data visualization and graphics. MATLAB can produce beautiful, professional quality plots, 2D, 3D, and even animations. It's a great way to show your results not only with numbers, but visually. Here is an example. Take a look at this colorful 3D surface plot, smooth, interactive, and ready for presentation. You can even rotate it and explore it from different angles. And finally, number 6, integration and compatibility. MATLAB plays well with other tools. You can link it to Excel, databases, C and C++ code, Python modules, or even hardware like Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So while MATLAB might not be as fast or low level as C++, its power lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and the speed at which you can bring mathematical ideas to life. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next MATLAB tutorials and demos.